The next step in our process is the TABE pretest. Recall that TABE means Test of Adult Basic Education. A pretest is your first test. The purpose of the TABE pretest is to tell us what you know and what you may need to work on. Here are some things about the TABE pretest that you need to know. The TABE has reading, math, and language. These are three of your high set equivalency subjects. You will do a locator and then the test. A locator is a placement test. So there are 4 levels on TABE, and we want to be sure that we put you at the level that is comfortable for you. So you will do a locator test that tells us which test you need, and then you will take the test in the subject, either reading, math, or language. It is important that you do your very best. Please do not just blow through these tests as though they don't mean anything, because they do. If you pass reading, math, or language at level 4, you have passed that subject of your diploma. If you are not working on a diploma, but you're taking one of these tests for some program that you're doing, it is important that you do your very best. On the flip side of that, I do not want you to stress if you don't know something. Just make your best guess and move on. If there is an area that you need to work on, this test will show us and we'll take care of that. So don't stress yourself. Just answer the questions to the best of your ability, and it is okay to guess and move on. You will have to attain 40 hours of attendance to take a post-test. This is another reason to do your very best on these pre-tests. Post-test means that the test that comes later or after the pre-test. So if you don't pass one of these subjects, you get to try again as many times as you need to, but you have to log some attendance hours in the meantime. We cannot just give you test after test after test. We have to figure out what you need to know and help you learn that information before we can test you again. You may need several days to do these 3 tests. We do not expect you to do them all in one day. The tests are timed and you have lots of time to do them, but we know that you get tired and we don't want you to test if you're tired. So your teacher will let you know the schedule about when you need to come for further tests. And if you don't need a subject, so for example, let's say that you have passed 4 of your 5 tests for a diploma, and maybe all you need to do is reading. That is the only test we will ask you to do. So please don't feel like we're going to make you take tests you don't need or make you take classes you don't need. We just have to figure out what you need and how we can help you attain it.